Hello YouTube, this is Callie and today I will be teaching you how to say yesterday, today, and tomorrow in Tagalog. Okay? So it's gonna be very easy. So, yesterday means kahapon. 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 Yesterday. Kahapon. Now you say it. Very good. Okay, so that's our yesterday. And then, if there is yesterday, of course, there is what? Today, right? So in Tagalog, today means ngayon. Okay, let me write it. Today. Ngayon. Ngayon. Today. Ngayon. Now you say it. Very good. Today. Ngayon. Okay. So if there's yesterday, today, of course there will be tomorrow. Okay. Now I'll write down the word, Tagalog word for tomorrow. Here it is. Tomorrow. Bukas. Bukas. Kas. Bukas. Tomorrow. Bukas. Tomorrow. Bukas. Now you say it. Very good. Yesterday. Today. Tomorrow. Kahapon. Ngayon. At bukas. Until next time, this is Callie. Bye for now.